the Rollin Editions. You could take the LSAT in June or July or any of September, October, November and still apply this cycle comfortably. You could even take it in January and still apply this cycle. So you could take it in January 2020 and start law school in fall 2020. That would be totally fine. The cycle has extended over time in recent years, in part due to the decline in the number of law school applicants. So it's extended longer than it used to be. It used to be that February was kind of late. Now, January, there's no more February LSAT, but January's totally fine. Earlier is better on average if you can, but it won't really impact your chances that much. It may impact scholarship money slightly because there's more money available at the beginning of a cycle than later in the cycle. But there's also a strange phenomenon that happens where at the end of a cycle, if they haven't given away all their scholarship money, they may be more generous with it towards the end because they want to use it up for that cycle. So you could potentially have some negotiating power in June if there's scholarship money available at that time and you're applying at the end with a score that's significantly above their medians. So just something to keep in mind there. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.